Hey guys, what is up? Some like candle, cute. This little grid thing. The next area of my room consists of my little dresser here with my TV on top. But then my bed is over there, which is looking cute. One side is checkered and the other side is gray. On top, I have my Polaroid wall, white bookshelf, and on the top, really love how my room has come together and just, it's so cute.
Looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin.
Nah, with me one time, I just wanna see what happens. Don't ignore you, wanna know you, show you all the classics. Know I'm spoiled, but I saw you when I saw the talent. The first glance when I knew that I gotta have it, yeah. You were so left field with it. 80 proof, you gon' prove that you real with it. Used to moving real timid. Letting loose, the little sinning. Low key like a seal mission. Choked up in a submission. You so fucked up, all hugs when the light switching. You the only one I get the cost. If you try running, got me snapping back at anybody with their eyes on it. Motherfucker, I run it. Yeah, why these nights so ironic?
I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking for a
girl, they're gon' leave in the morning. Next day, new place, you a tourist. Wish I stayed blind to the fact. Blaming on the night and the jack. When the fit all black, I ain't seen nothing wrong. My action, they just want my reaction. Try to hold that shit for ransom. Stay chilly with a stone face. Shoot my shot like what's up, but I draw blanks. Go getter, I'm a gorilla. Got myself some gold chains. There's a lot I don't tell you, no, I should've known better. You eye candy and I been fed up. Iron grip on a Stella, bitch, I won't let up. She think that it's just for the night. Fuck it then, I be out acting like she right. Feeling like she just moving on my homies out of spite. Give a fuck about it, find another one I like. Let you know about it, yeah. When the night's not controlling you, so when you get up and you leave, but I don't wanna see what you open to.
Okay, I just want to make it clear. This is the hardest thing I've ever done.
Like the renegade life, but I don't, yeah. I don't, I don't, I don't.
Thank you for clicking on today's video. As you guys saw by the title and just what you've seen so far, today I'm going to be doing the very highly requested, super long-awaited room tour video. A few months ago, probably like 4 months ago, honestly. March, April, May, June, July. I started redoing my room 5 months ago. It was like around March, and I'm finally done. I also redid my bathroom. My bathroom is through this door right here. Let's just get started. How about that? Okay, you guys can't really see me because my tripod is facing down. As much as I'd love to have somebody film this for me and just follow me around my room showing everything, it's not happening. So you're sitting on a tripod. It's a really weird angle. So this is my door to get in my room. You guys know what a door is. And then to the left of my door, I have my vanity, which is not new. I've had my vanity for some time now. Just the mirror is new. I used to have a black mirror and it was a lot smaller, but I updated it. This does look like a vanity from IKEA. However, it is not. These two drawer units are from Michaels and I don't really recommend them. I've had these Michaels drawers for like 2 years now and they started breaking like a year ago and I just haven't done anything about it. This is just a piece of wood that I got from like Lowe's or Home Depot or something. I just have like my makeup and skincare and stuff in the drawers. On top, I just have like makeup brushes and some stuff. And my Marvidescu stuff. To the right of my door, I have my bookshelf, which I've also had for a while. This, like half of my room on this side, I didn't really update any of the furniture just because I didn't think I needed to. This bookshelf is from Amazon, I believe, and it's literally just filled with a bunch of decor. I think a bird just hit my window. I'm really not gonna go through each individual little like plant or like candle in my room and tell you guys where it's from. Most of my decor is from Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, Urban Outfitters, and Amazon, I think. For the most part, yeah. So all of these little like plants and stuff are from a mixture of those places. I just have a ton of different things in here, and the bottom shelf doesn't have anything, which I don't really know why, but it doesn't. I have this basket of junk. My bathroom is in here, so I'm going to move to that side of my room just because I'm going to show you my bathroom last. So let's go. Oh my god, that was way harder than I thought. I absolutely love this half of my room. It's where like my dresser and my TV is. So my vanity is like right here, and then this obviously where my dresser is. The dresser is from IKEA, I think. I have the same plants on either side of the TV just for like symmetry reasons, and then I have my Gucci purse just sitting there. I actually don't know why that's there. So like I said, the same plant is over here, and then I have my Wii, which I love. I love having my Wii in my room. In the corner of my room, I have this basket, which is from, oh, there's still a tag on it. This basket is from Target, I believe, and then I just have some blankets in here. Moving over, I have my window. Obviously, it's just a window, but my curtains are from Urban Outfitters, if anybody is wondering. I decided to go with this burnt orange color, and I absolutely love it. It looks so good. I get so many questions about my bed frame and stuff. So my bed is on pallets, if you guys can see that. And I get so many questions regarding where I got the pallets for my bed. And I just want to say, this is really embarrassing because pallet beds are so easy and can be so cheap to make. When I decided that I was going to redo my room, I was really prominent on the fact that I wanted to do it fast. So I really didn't want to take the time to get pallets somewhere and then sand them and then stain them. So I actually found this bed on a website called Pallet Bed. That's also where I got my nightstand table thing. It was very expensive, and I don't recommend it. If you guys can see here, I have fairy lights inside of the like wood pallets just so that it like lights up the wood. I don't know, I think it's like super cool, and it looks really, really cool with my lights off. I love how the lights look inside of the bed. It's just so cozy and gives off like warmth. Okay, so my comforter is from Amazon. It's just like a simple white down comforter. My pillowcases and sheets and stuff are from Target. I love Target's like sheets and bedding and stuff. My two throw pillows are from Urban. Above my bed, you guys can see I have a little like collage type thing with 3 framed pictures. All 3 of these pictures are from Hobby Lobby. I think they look really cute, and then I decided to use like the string light bulb lights around it, and I really like how it looks. I feel like I'm doing a terrible job of showing you guys my room. I don't know, can you guys see it? It's cute, right? Like I mentioned, my little bedside table is also from the same brand that my bed is from, Pallet Beds. On top here, I have a little lamp, which is from Target, and then I have like some room spray. I have coasters just because I don't want to ruin the wood. And then I have a little plant in a little like gray pot, and then I have my glasses just sitting there. I don't know, kind of cute. Underneath, you can't really see, but I have books and my remote. That's it, I guess. By the way, this rug is from Rugs USA, and this rug is from Urban Outfitters. I absolutely love how my room ended up turning out. Right when you walk in my bathroom, you see this big floor to not ceiling mirror, but it's a pretty big mirror. I don't know. It's from At Home. Here's like my sink and mirror part of my bathroom. I don't know. This is like so weird showing you my bathroom. This rug is from Urban Outfitters. Towels, this little tray with these little like wooden containers and stuff are from Amazon. I have like Q-tips in here, and then obviously like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap. And then moving across my sink, I have this little tray from Hobby Lobby that has some like my everyday products that I use on it. I have this wooden Kleenex box holder holder thing that I have yet to put Kleenexes in. And then on the very left side, I have these two huge cabinets, which is where I store most of my stuff. Doing a circle, I have my shower and toilet part of my bathroom. Rug is from Urban Outfitters. Toilet seat cover is from Target, I believe, but I have had this for a very long time. And then above my toilet, I just have pads and tampons in this little wooden thing. I think it's so much easier to have your tampons just like right by the toilet versus all the way over there. My shower curtain is from Urban Outfitters as well. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. So yeah, that's my bathroom. I don't know. Again, here's my room. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna end the video now though because I'm super tired and I don't feel like setting up my camera again just to say bye. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let me know what your favorite like area of my room is. Do you guys like my dresser area, my bed area, like my bookshelf, my vanity? Oh, by the way, this vanity chair is from Amazon. I just got it. Okay, that's it. Bye.